Anthony, you having fun? You on video? You on camera? Video camera? Recording? You on a video recorder? Where's Aaron? Who's that? Go say hi to her. This is 2012 summer, beginning of summer. Hi, Aaron. You on video?
Hi, I'm on video too.
Video camera. You having fun at the splash park?
Yes, I am.
What you learning about? You learning how to swim or splash everybody?
I learned how to swim and splash.
What's your favorite part at the splash park?
I like when I swim and I get in the deep pool.
Which deep part do you get in? Show me.
Yes, I see.
Cool. Oh, you get in that area 3 feet?
But when we go back in, I'm going to get in the slide.
You gonna slide? It's just dump you into 3 feet. I think you are 3 feet. You could go down the slide. A lot of kids go down the slide.
Can you come with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye.